This is passage number 10. Duration 6 minutes. Speed 100 words per minute. Dictation starts now. The present public interest litigation has been filed by a non-governmental organization raising serious concerns regarding the pollution of the river flowing through the industrial belt of the state. It is alleged that several chemical units are discharging untreated effluents directly into the river in total defiance of the environmental norms. This has not only led to the degradation of the water quality but has also affected the health of the villagers residing downstream. The petitioners have sought a direction to the State Pollution Control Board to take stringent action against the defaulting industries and to ensure the restoration of the ecology. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioners submitted that the report submitted by the regional laboratory clearly indicate that the levels of heavy metals in the water are way beyond the permissible limits. He argued that the fundamental rights to a clean environment is a part of the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. It is the primary duty of the state to protect the natural resources for the future generations. The council urged that the polluter pays principle should be applied in this case and a heavy environmental compensation should be levied on the industrial units responsible for this disaster. Para. The learned government pleader, while responding to the notice, submitted that the department has already initiated a probe into the matter. He pointed out that closure notices have been issued to 5 major units which were found to be operating without a valid consent to operate. It was argued that the government is committed to balancing industrial growth with environmental protection. The state is also planning to set up a common effluent treatment plant to cater to the needs of small scale industries in that area. However, it was admitted that there were some lapses in the regular monitoring of the industrial discharge. Para. We have perused the status report and the photographs submitted along with the petition. The condition of the river as seen in the documents is indeed pathetic. It is unfortunate that the statutory authorities wake up only after a judicial intervention. The Pollution Control Board is expected to act as a watchdog and not as a silent spectator. Sustainable development does not mean that industries have a license to pollute the environment with impunity. Every citizen has a right to breathe clean air and drink pure water, and any violation of this right must be dealt with a heavy hand. Para. Furthermore, we find that the local municipal council has also contributed to the pollution by dumping solid waste near the river bank. This reflects a total lack of coordination between different government agencies. We are of the opinion that a high power committee needs to be constituted to monitor the cleaning process and to identify the sources of pollution. The committee shall include experts from the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. They shall conduct a site visit and submit a comprehensive report suggesting long term measures to prevent further contamination. The expenses for this study shall be borne by the respondent industrial units. Para. In the light of the aforesaid observations, we direct the state to take immediate steps to stop the discharge of untreated waste into the river. The Pollution Control Board shall file a fresh compliance report within 6 weeks. The district magistrate is directed to ensure that no solid waste is dumped in the prohibited zones. We hope and trust that the authorities will act with a sense of urgency to save the river from further destruction. The matter shall be listed for further directions on third Monday of the next month. With these directions, the present petition stand disposed of accordingly. The copy of this order be sent to the concerned departments for strict compliance. Over. Stop.